In this video, I'm going to be setting up my new TN. I've got a couple of inserts and the pockets, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I just got this new TN and I am so excited to set it up. A planner kit set up with my brand new kit, which I call New Beginnings because we all need new beginnings right now. We all need to start afresh. Okay, so come plan with me in my TN. It's from B18 Leather and she doesn't usually make TNs, but she thought she'd give it a try and this is the result and I absolutely love it. At the end of this video, I'm going to do a full unboxing of my new kit, so make sure you stay tuned, watch to the end so you get to see every single thing that is in your package when you order this kit. There's die cut stickers, paper, a pen, pom-pom clips, sticky notes, all kinds of stuff. So make sure you stick around so you can get a closer look. The papers in the kit come A5, so you may be thinking I'm cheating here by using a full A4 sheet. But what I did was printed two A5 sheets side by side, and you can do that as well. When you buy the kit, you get a link to a bonus page. There you can download papers and other things that you can print off at home. You can print off as many as you want at whatever size you want. So this is what I did. I took 2 and I put them together and I print it. You can blow it up even and print it on an A4 instead of an A5. There's also extra stickers, bonus videos, and other free downloads like a phone wallpaper. And the planner I'm using today is my Good Morning, Good Life planner, and it fits perfectly inside this TN. Okay, let's have a look at how it turned out. There's the pockets and the first insert. My Good Morning Good Life planner. And the spread that I did. I really love this kit and I hope you do too. Let's have a look at the kit right now. Okay, so in each kit there are 3 washies. Here they are all packaged up. I actually had asked for no plastic, but I think they forgot. I don't know what happened. But that's the only plastic. The only thing in this kit that's not eco-friendly. Most of it you can reuse or recycle. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a look at the washies. So there's that one. And it matches the stickers, which everything matches of course, but that matches the stickers that I'll show you in a second. This one has gold foil. It's my favorite. And then there's this one, which is more flowers and butterflies and bees. Then there's a little package, little baggie, which you can reuse. And when you buy the kit in the package, you will get a link to a bonus page. And on that bonus page, there will be a video with tips and tricks on how to use the packaging, like this envelope and the tissue and other things. So in here are some die cuts. There's 12, I think. 4 note cards. Then you get 2 pom-pom clips. 5 planner tabs, and they're perforated in the middle. A little pad of sticky notes, and those are big. They stick really well. I did test them out. I took one off and stuck it on my computer about a month ago. It's still there. They stick really well. Then you get a pen with this little flower in the top. And it writes really nice, and it's rose gold. Then there's the stickers. So you get bigger flowers and leaves, then some little headers. This is the one that matches the washi. Then there's these wreaths and banners. Then there are 2 bookmarks. And then the A5 sheet. So we have a vellum. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe put it on here so you can see what it says. Then there's 2 pattern papers, both floral. And then you have the transparency, which you can cut all these down to A6 or personal. So that's it, that's the kit. Lots of fun stuff, super pretty, super bright. I called it New Beginnings because we all need a restart on this year. Pre-order your kit in the description below and have a little cheer show up in your mailbox, and then you can add some cheer to your planner. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Click here on my little face to subscribe. Here are 2 more videos that I think you will like. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.